welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of how to crack SAP Labs interview. If you guys have not seen the part 1, then the link is in the description. You guys can check it out. So for this video, I'll go through my experience of round 3 and round 4, right? Round 3 was a managerial round, whereas round 4 was a HR round. I'll be talking about the different questions that they can ask and what are the answers that you should give. For this round, the first thing was to give your introduction. Now, I will give you a demo of how I gave my introduction and how should you frame your introduction as well. Hi, my name is Karina Gauri. I'm currently studying Information Science and Engineering at RV College. I'm a full stack developer with a deep interest in working on real world projects. I would say I'm a very self-motivated and organized person. I chose engineering after my school because I was always interested in working on problems around me. During my course, I learned skills and build projects. When it comes to leadership, I'm always ready to take initiative, which helped me conduct a national level hackathon at my college this year. I was also part of Google Developer Student Clubs as a core team member last year. When it comes to hobbies, I'm interested in sketching and listening music. The interview will go on with questions like where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Why should we choose you over other candidates? And what was your dream company? How do you handle pressure? What do you look forward to if you join a company? These types of questions are what they're gonna ask. So these are few questions that they asked me in the interview, and you should be ready with these types of questions beforehand and frame your answers in such a way that you can convince them that you're committed 100%. During this managerial round, they also ask you situational questions. So basically, they'll give you a scenario of your office and how do you handle that situation and giving the answer as well. So you will find hundreds of such questions on the internet, and you should go through them and frame your answers as well. I will put the links of such website which I referred in the description as well. So you can just prepare them and modify according to the company that you're sitting for. It is very important that you go through the company website before your interview and maybe read some newsletter and articles on what are their mission and focus, what are the technologies that they're using, and answering those questions will put you in advantage, as in they will think of you as someone who has done the research about the company and is sitting here and answering the questions. When answering managerial questions, make sure you showcase your strength and weakness in such a way that are required by the company. For example, the question is what are your strengths and weakness? Here I could say my strengths are that I'm a team player and a creative person. My time management skills helped me organize my work and increase my confidence. I also keep a positive attitude towards my goal and try to do my best. When it comes to your weakness, you should frame your answer in such a way that your weakness becomes your strength and they like your answer as well. You can frame your answer in this way. When I was in school, I used to struggle meeting new people and standing on the stage and talking. As I came to college, I started taking in lots of events and took part wherever I got chance to speak up. During this course, I've made lots of improvements, and I believe I could get rid of this fear and be a good speaker as well. Next, I was also questioned on my resume where I mentioned my leadership skills. So they will ask you questions like what was your contribution and what was your role in the team? Was there any struggle or any conflict that happened and how did you solve it? For round 4, if you have already reached a round 3, most probably they are going to call you for round 4 where the main HR is going to sit and talk to you. They will explain you how the internship will be and how the full-time will be, how will be the conversion of it, and what are they offering on the table as well. and you will also get chance to ask questions to them. So do ask them questions about their culture or any doubts you have. One important question they are gonna ask you definitely is, are you doing your masters? For that, answer no, because they do not want their candidate to leave the company in between, as they will be investing on you, right? Doing internship, and if they leave in the full time, it's the company's loss. So these are few points that you should remember. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helps you in some way, and I will definitely put all the links that I referred during my HR round and giving the interview in the description. You guys can check it out. I've also put my social contact as well. You can connect with me on LinkedIn or Instagram. If you guys have any suggestions for any videos that you want me to make, you can comment down below, and I'll make sure to work on it as well.